In this video we talking about Samsung Galaxy S22 and S22 Ultra release date, price, specs and leaks. The Samsung Galaxy S22 is still very likely some time away. We'd not expect it until early 2022. But that's not stopped leaks and rumors from circulating around what's expected to be Samsung's next non-folding flagship phone. So far the features tipped for the Galaxy S22 tend to be camera-centric, notably that the phone will have a camera developed in partnership with Olympus. But others also have the Galaxy S22 predicted to have Qualcomm's Snapdragon 895 chip, a thinner design and under-display camera. Furthermore, the Samsung Galaxy Note 21 isn't likely to be released this year, and it may even be gone for good. So the Galaxy 22 will need to deliver a serious next-generation flagship experience to battle its rivals. But with what's been percolating so far, the Galaxy S22 might just do that. So are all the early rumors for the Samsung Galaxy S22 and what we want to see from this series. Samsung Galaxy S22 release date. The Samsung Galaxy S22 will likely launch in early 2022. Samsung moved up the release date of the Galaxy S21 from its typical February timeframe to January 29. It's not clear whether Samsung will be as aggressive this time around. The last Friday in January 2022 is January 28. If Samsung sticks to a similar time frame for the Galaxy S22. Samsung Galaxy S22 price. We haven't seen any rumors on the Galaxy S22 price yet. But we anticipate that Samsung will keep the prices similar to the Galaxy S21 lineup. The company reduced the cost for all three models by $200, and we don't see prices going back up. So if Samsung stays consistent, the Galaxy S22 will cost $799. The Galaxy S22 Plus will be $999 and the Galaxy S22 Ultra will be priced at $1,199. It will be interesting to see whether Samsung introduces a lower-cost Galaxy S21 phase sometime between now and the S22's launch. But there's a rumor that the S21 phase could be delayed due to the global chip shortage. Samsung Galaxy S22 design and under-display camera. The biggest change that could be coming to the Galaxy S22 is an under-display camera. This would enable a true full-screen design without a traditional punch hole at the top of the display. According to Let's Go Digital, Samsung has filed a patent for a punch hole camera with sub-display. And an internal pop-up display covers the selfie camera when it's not in use. Given that the iPhone 13 is rumored to still include a notch, even if it's smaller than the notch on the iPhone 12, this design change could give Samsung a notable advantage. That being said, another rumor claims the Galaxy S22 might not get an under-display camera, as the tech might not be up to scratch for the flagship phone. But weirdly, an under-display camera is still tipped for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. Take this all with a pinch of salt. Elsewhere, A tip from leaker Mauri QHD on Twitter claims that the Samsung Galaxy S22 will feature a thinner design than the Galaxy S21. However, this may result in smaller batteries. There's also a set of concept renders for the Galaxy S22 from Let's Go Digital, which highlights possible design changes. These include a massive main camera flanked by 4 smaller sensors, and a possible active cooling system. Samsung Galaxy S22 displays. A rumor from leaker Mauri QHD, who has a pretty good track record with Samsung leaks, claims that Samsung is shrinking the displays on the Galaxy S22 lineup compared to the Galaxy S21. Our take is that this is a good thing and that the Galaxy S22 could save us from oversized phones. The Galaxy S22 would be 6.06 inches, down from 6.2 inches on the S21. The S22 Plus would sport a 6.5-inch panel, down from 6.7 inches. And the Galaxy S22 Ultra would be 6.81 inches, down from 6.9 inches. In addition, Mauri QHD claims that only the Galaxy S22 Ultra will boast LTPO technology, which means only it would be able to scale the refresh rate on its display from 120 Hz down to 1 Hz. This helps save battery life, as seen in the current Galaxy S21 range. Only those don't scale down to 1 Hz. Samsung Galaxy S22 cameras. A Galaxy S22 camera upgrade could come in the form of a potential Samsung partnership with Olympus. According to several tweets from usually reliable sources, the two firms are set to partner on cameras for forthcoming smartphones, with the Galaxy S22 Ultra tipped to be the first phone to get the new tech. Given that Olympus has recently announced its intention to collaborate with other firms, there's reason to believe this rumor could come true, though there's no official word yet. A rumor from leakers Ice Universe and digital chat stations suggests that the Galaxy S22 Ultra will come with a huge 200MP sensor to take on the iPhone 13. How true this is remains to be seen. But the amount of detail that the Galaxy S22 could capture would be incredible.